Hey there, beauties. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us have dealt with, acne. Whether you're a teen or an adult, battling those pesky pimples can be frustrating. But fear not. In this video, I'm going to share 5 effective tips on how to get rid of acne for good. So, grab your notebooks and let's get started. First things first, it's crucial to understand your skin type and what might be causing your acne. Is it hormonal, stress-related, or perhaps due to your skincare routine? Understanding the root cause will help you tailor your approach to tackling those blemishes effectively. Experimenting with various skincare products can be overwhelming, but don't worry. Look for gentle cleansers and non-comedogenic moisturizers that won't clog your pores. And don't forget the importance of sunscreen to protect your skin from further damage. Did you know that your lifestyle habits can significantly impact your skin? Incorporating healthy habits into your daily routine can make a world of difference. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated and flushing out toxins. Also, aim to get enough sleep each night to allow your skin to rejuvenate. And let's not forget about nutrition. Loading up on fruits, veggies, and foods rich in antioxidants can help promote clearer skin from the inside out. So, next time you reach for that bag of chips, think about swapping it out for a nutritious snack instead. Consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Establishing a regular routine can help keep acne at bay. Start with a gentle cleanser morning and night to remove dirt and excess oil. Then, apply a spot treatment containing ingredients like benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid to target those stubborn pimples. Don't forget to moisturize afterward to keep your skin hydrated and balanced. And remember, be patient. It may take some time for your skin to adjust to a new routine, but consistency will pay off in the long run. Stress, the ultimate acne trigger for many of us. Finding healthy ways to manage stress can help prevent those breakouts from popping up. Whether it's practicing yoga, going for a walk in nature, or indulging in your favorite hobby, carving out time for self-care is essential for both your mental and skin health. Remember, stress doesn't just affect your mind. It can also wreak havoc on your skin. So, prioritize self-care and give yourself the TLC you deserve. Lastly, don't hesitate to seek professional help if your acne persists despite your best efforts. Dermatologists are skincare experts who can provide personalized recommendations and treatments tailored to your specific needs. From prescription medications to advanced procedures, they have a wide range of tools to help you achieve clearer skin.